Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Redshift Spectrum to S3 for querying files step by step clearly. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Redshift dashboard. Select the cluster that you want to use with Redshift Spectrum. Make sure the cluster is in a VPC that has access to S3. Next, go to the Amazon S3 service in your console. Create a new S3 bucket if you don't already have one. Upload your data files in a supported format to this bucket. Once your data is uploaded, go back to the Redshift dashboard. In the left navigation pane, choose Query Editor. Create an IAM role that allows Redshift to access your S3 bucket. Attach this IAM role to your Redshift cluster. Now, you need to create an external schema in Redshift. Write the SQL statement to create the external schema. For example, use create external schema my_external_schema from to define the schema. Specify the data catalog options and provide the IAM role. Next, specify the connection to the S3 bucket in the SQL statement. Use the create external table command to define the structure of your data. Be sure to specify the correct data types for each column. Point to the location of your data in S3. Now, you can run your SQL queries in the Redshift Query Editor. Query the external table using standard SQL syntax. Review the results to ensure the data is being queried correctly. If needed, adjust your SQL statements for more complex queries. Remember that Redshift Spectrum allows querying of large datasets directly from S3. Monitor your queries for performance optimization if necessary. You have now successfully connected Redshift Spectrum to S3 for querying files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.